Good morning, dear students. To continue with the process of home classes and initiative taken by Director School Education Jammu, today I have a very interesting topic to discuss with you. It is homonym. Dear students, you might have seen or studied that in English language, some words are written or spelled in one way, but they are pronounced in another way. So homonym is a word that sounds or is spelled the same as another word, but that has a different meaning. This is the funny nature of this language, that some words they are spelled same, their sounds are same, but their meanings are different. For example, if you see fair and fair, first fair, F-A-I-R fair, it means an exhibition or gathering of people to show their art and craft. And the second fair, F-A-I-R fair, F-A-R-E fair, you can see here. This fair is money you pay for a ticket to travel somewhere else. So both fairs have same sound, but their meaning are different. Though their spell is also different here. In case of principal and principal, one is that of the institution and other is the quality of the person. Same sounds here, but their meanings are different. Their spells are different. But if you see the third pair here, bad and bad, it is very interesting because you have seen the definition of homonym. The homonym is a word that sounds or is spelled the same. Spell may be same here. They may sound same, they may have same spell, but their meanings are different. So one bad is that we used to play cricket game, and other bad is a word. Fourth pair, if you see, cough and cough. Again, the spell are same, the sound is same. One cough is part of a body, the back of leg below knee, and the other cough is young one of a cow or buffalo, right? Homonym are technically called as homophones and homographs. If we study this homonym in a precise context, they are generally called as homophones. But we should not forget that the synonyms of homophone and homograph is homonym. Homophones and homographs, these are Greek words. As this English language is concerned, it has taken many of words from other languages of the world. It is said that English has borrowed words from 120 other languages of the world. It has taken many words from Greek, from Latin, from French, Spain, American words are there. So far, homophones and homographs are concerned, both have Greek. Homos, if we study homophone, homo means same and phone means sound. If you see homograph, homo again means same. Since it is taken from Greek language, in Greek it was graphene, graphene means to write. So homophones are similar in sound but different in meaning and spelling, whereas homographs are spelled alike but different in meaning and origin and sometimes in pronunciation also. So this is the difference between homophone and homograph. Homophones are similar in sound, but they are different in meaning. Same sound, different meaning. Same sound, but their spell may be different, but their sounds are similar. But homographs are spelled alike. Their meanings are different, their origin is also different, and sometimes their pronunciation is also different. We will study later. Homonyms are synonyms of homophones and homographs. As I told you earlier, that homonym is a synonym used for homophone and homograph. Example of homophone: flu, flu. Both have same sound. Their spells are different, but the sound is same. meaning is also different. Next, high and high, both have same sound. So these are the examples of homophones. Pail and pail. First pail, P-A-I-L, pail. It is a wooden vessel. And pail next is the color. Then beer and beer. Ale and ale. One ale means pen, another ale means it's also a kind of alcohol. Then you have there. First, second and third. Say all the three there, they have same sound. There. First there is used for a place. Second, for persons. Third is a phrase. Next we have dear and dear. Both have same sound. So homophone, you can say the word with same sound. Maybe they are different in meanings and spell, but their sounds are same. Example of homograph, you see bat. And if we see at homographs which has similar sound, similar spell, but their origin is different, their meanings are also different. Bat, bank. One bat, first bat is for a wooden stick that we use to play cricket, and other bat is bird. One bank is the side of river, ocean or lake, and other bank is an institution. Left and left. One for side and other for to leave. Second form of verb. Ball for a potty and other ball, spherical shape that we use to play. Read and read. If you look at this word, because we have studied in the definition of homograph that the word, they may have similar sound, similar spell, but their meaning and their pronunciation, they are different. Their origin is also different. But in this case, read and read, one read is to study something, to read a book. Other is second form of read, that is a past form. And in next case, if you see, wind for a breeze and other is wind. Spell are same, but their pronunciation, their meaning, their origin is different. And the last one is temple and temple. Both have same sound, same spell. One for a religious place where we worship, and the other is for porta body. This very porta body is called temple. So this was all about homograph, homophone and homonym. Now I have some assignment for you. Please do it yourself. Birth, altar. Structure, second altar is structure used for religious rites. Here, heroine, bank, desert, to. So this was all about homophone and homonym. Thank you very much.